this book, In Cold Blood, is very important. It was widely regarded to be a tour de force when it was written in 1966. It was originally serialized in 1965 in the New Yorker magazine, and then it produced broad public interest and debate, both for its sensational topic and for its new methods of journalistic reporting and investigation. There are many sort of concerns that critics have had towards this work because Truman Capote considered this work what he called nonfiction, the nonfiction novel. So to what degree it was nonfiction is a subject of debate. And this work is about a murder in Kansas, in Holcomb, Kansas. But it has a broader importance. As I mentioned, it is very significant to American literary history, and it continues to shape public discussion of the nature of violence in American society. It tells a very intimate story about the demise of an American family and addresses the major impact of violent crime in a small community, as well as it shakes our legal and moral foundations of our nation. Now, I would argue this book has relevance today, although it was written 6 decades ago, largely because the meaning of violence today, senseless violence, is something that we face on a day-to-day basis.